Hey taxpayers, it's Tiffany Gonzalez CPA here, founder and CEO of Accounting to Scale. And today I'm talking to all of my business owners who received a PPP loan and are wondering how it's going to affect their 2020 tax situation. Back in November, the U.S. Treasury Department and the IRS again released clarification surrounding the treatment of the PPP loan when it has not yet been forgiven, but you expect it to be. Since businesses are not taxed on receiving the PPP funds, they cannot deduct the expenses that they used the PPP for. According to the IRS and the U.S. Treasury, this results in neither a tax benefit nor a tax harm. The stance that they take is that because you're not paying taxes for receiving the PPP funds, you should not be able to take a deduction for the PPP expenses. Seems fair, right? Here's the problem. If you've been counting the PPP expenses in your financials all year long, you might be seeing a large loss on your bottom line. But now, when it's time to file your taxes, you'll need to remove those expenses from your financials, which means that in most cases, you'll have a much smaller loss and maybe even a gain. Now, I know what you're thinking. Tiffany, my loan has not been forgiven yet. I don't even know if it will be. Here's what the guidance says. If you reasonably believe that your PPP loan will be forgiven, you cannot deduct those expenses, even if you have not applied for forgiveness yet. In the case where a PPP ends up not being forgiven and you did not deduct those expenses, you can deduct them in the coming year because now your PPP is essentially a regular loan. I think that this news is really coming as a surprise to a lot of business owners. They've been looking at their financials all year long with these expenses inside of them, and now they're realizing they might actually have a gain, which could really affect how much money they pay in the coming year in taxes. To really understand the implications of the PPP loan on your business, don't hesitate to reach out to our office. This is something we would love to help you with. To keep up to date with all of the information we're putting out, hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Follow us on LinkedIn, Instagram, and Facebook at Accounting to Scale. Until the next video, your favorite CPA, Tiffany Gonzalez.